Today I just wanted to give you a little close up. These are the axles I took and had them dry ice blasted, but you can see how rusty and ugly looking they are. I just wanted to let you guys know that I painted them with Poppy's Patina chassis armor, and so this is what they looked like before, and then I'll show you what they looked like after. So today well, actually yesterday I used the Poppy's Patina chassis armor, and I had to dilute a little bit, and I sprayed it with this Husky spray gun. Their dilution is 10 to 1. The dilution is 10 to 1. So 10 part armor, 1 part thinner of some sort. I didn't have any Xylene, so I used some of my old urethane thinner from one of my other projects. So hopefully it works. They also said that you could use acetoner on one of the things that I googled, but I don't know about that. I should have bought some thinner from them when I bought it, but I don't know if they sell thinner, so they probably don't, because they probably don't want to ship it. So anyway, I am going to show you the finished product. So this is after I went and had them blasted, dry ice blasted, and so I put and this takes a long time to cure. I waited 3 hours, and so and they were still kind of tacky after 3 hours, so I only needed 1 coat. I sprayed it, and it turned out really good. I sprayed it on kind of heavy, so I only really need 1 coat. You can kind of see where I didn't spray and where I did spray, where I masked off. And it turned out really nice, as you can see. Really glossy. I think it'll shed a lot of the dirt and water when I'm off-roading. I got all my trail gear stuff welded on that they sent to me to weld, and I got these brackets here from boy, I'm drawing a blank today. Marlin crawlers, to strengthen up the axles, so you weld it here and there, and it's, hopefully it will not be an issue. I don't think it will, because you can kind of see where the windshield wipers, not windshield wipers, but the grease wipers kind of end. So I think I'll be fine there. Anyway, they probably wouldn't sell it if it wouldn't be fine. So hopefully these work out okay. There's a little bit of pitting right there, but I didn't really plan on replacing those, but I probably should have. But anyway, that would be another day's project if that happened, and who knows if that's ever going to happen, because I don't plan on putting a ton of miles on this truck. So, and that's the truck that, yeah, so as I said before, this is the truck that those axles are going to go under right there. They're going to go under this, the Toyota Stout. It needs to get a little care. The people before painted it black. Must have been either maybe it was getting some rust on it or something. I wanted to kind of give it the patina look, Poppy's Patina clear coat, but the patina's not the greatest, so there's not a lot of rust on it, which is good for me, because if I ever decide to paint it. But anyway, so this is going to be go through a few stages. Okay, so I just talked to you about the truck, and it had all this black paint on it. I took all the paint off as most as I could, trying to get down to the truck. Looks like this part of the truck probably was painted at a different time, because the primer is gray and the primer on this side is kind of a tan color. So that being said, over here you can see where this must have been out in the sun more than the other side. So I took all the black off, got it down to the red as much as I could. Hopefully the red on this is going to match the red on that, because when I put my clear coat on, I want it to match. I don't know what somebody did here, but either that's where they put it in the press to press it that way, or if that was done by somebody else. But you can see right here it's smooth, and then right there it has some tooling on it. So but anyway, you can see how it's going to be up there. I'm going to have I'm going to try and get it to look a little bit different, but anyway, that's how that looks. And then I was talking about the axles earlier, and I built this it's called a Gear Buddy. You can buy one off of Yukon gears, and for about $400. I built this one for, this was a piece of a bed frame, and then this is a piece of junk I had laying around. So and I put it on an engine stand so it can rotate, and then I can actually mount it from one side or the other. But I put it on here. It makes it nice for painting and putting the gears in, because you can't really hold these in a vise anywhere. So that's how that is. And there's the axles on the trailer. I'm just waiting to put the gears and everything back in, and obviously you saw the frame already. So that being said, I appreciate you guys watching my channel and my other videos that you guys just watched. It's getting a lot of views. Appreciate that. More views than some of my other videos. So hopefully you are liking some of the content. I'll be putting as many out as I can. I know I have a lot of work to do on this truck, so hopefully you'll be around for the whole process. Thanks for watching. UtahYotas. Say goodbye. Hey, bye. Yeah. Say goodbye. You so cute.